Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Flinks, which is, how reliable is the data provided by Flinks? Flinks is a major financial data platform in North America, used by various financial institutions and fintech companies. Their core business is financial data connectivity, meaning they connect users' bank accounts to applications and services, and then enrich that raw data to make it useful. To gauge Flinks' data reliability, we need to look at a few key areas: connectivity, accuracy, and security. First, connectivity and uptime. Flinks aims for high connection reliability. The nature of financial data aggregation, which often involves logging into a user's bank account on their behalf, with consent, means reliability can be impacted by changes to the bank's online platforms or system downtimes. Flinks mitigates this by working to whitelist their traffic with financial institutions and using a resilient connection flow with backups. They report a data connection rate of over 95%. Second, data accuracy and enrichment. The raw transaction data they pull is essentially a snapshot of what's in the bank account. Flinks enhances the reliability and usability of this raw data through its enrichment engine. This tool cleans, organizes, and analyzes the data, providing over 1,000 insights like income, debt, and cash flow analysis. Flinks has stated their data enrichment accuracy is high, sometimes claiming above 95% accuracy across their most used categories. By converting raw, messy data into structured, meaningful insights, they make it more reliable for business use cases like credit risk analysis and fraud detection. Third, security and compliance. A reliable platform must be secure. Flinks is independently audited, maintaining a SOC 2 Type 2 report, which is a high standard for data security. They also utilize advanced encryption for data in transit and at rest. Importantly, they are moving toward open banking solutions like OAuth, which enhances security and connection stability by having the user authorize data sharing without directly giving their bank login credentials to Flinks. In summary, Flinks is a market leader that prioritizes reliability and accuracy, especially through its data enrichment technology. However, its reliability, like any financial data aggregator, is intrinsically linked to the stability and policies of the thousands of financial institutions it connects to. Its strong security posture and use of enriched data make it a trusted tool for many businesses. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.